Apollo Transformer, the newest series of Ballu Convectors, available in 3 color versions: Starlight White, Moon Gray, Space Black, reliable mechanic control, high-accuracy electronic control, energy-efficient digital inverter, new generation of control panels. The patented Hedgehog heating element allows the Convector to be 20% more compact than analog. Astronomical temperature maintenance accuracy, saving up to 70% with digital inverter control. Control the microclimate in a house from anywhere in the world. Integration into the single heating system. Enlarged air intake grid, ideal convection chamber, Flowscreen and Intake Pro technology create perfect convection flow. Flawless style, maximum efficiency and absolute economy in one device. Apollo, the new name in heating.